Right now, millions of invisible journeys are happening online. You type a web address and press enter without a second thought. But in that instant, an incredible invisible journey begins. Every day, billions of clicks begin a hidden digital journey. The instant you press enter, an invisible process quietly springs to life across the internet. Each keystroke sends a tiny electrical signal through your device. Letter by letter, your keyboard translates human intention into digital language instantly. As you type, your browser reads every character. It's preparing to transform this simple text into a precise digital destination request. Instantly, your browser predicts what you might want. It scans stored history, offering intelligent suggestions before you've even finished typing your request. That single press triggers everything. In milliseconds, your command launches into motion, beginning an incredible invisible journey across the internet. Your request now enters the digital world. What feels instant to you is actually a complex, lightning-fast process just beginning. Inside your browser, a powerful engine immediately analyzes your typed text, preparing to break it into meaningful, structured pieces for processing. Your browser dissects the address into essential parts. It identifies the protocol, domain name, and specific path you're requesting to access. Before searching further, your browser checks its own memory first, hoping this address was already visited and saved locally. No match found. This website isn't stored locally, so your browser must search further to locate its true destination. Next, your entire computer searches its own system memory, checking a separate, larger cache for any previously recorded address. With no local answers found, your device now prepares to reach beyond itself, out into the vast internet network. A tiny data packet launches outward, racing through invisible pathways at incredible speed, searching for the internet's address book system. Your packet first reaches the router inside your home, the small device responsible for directing traffic beyond your walls. From your router, the packet travels onward to your internet provider's massive hub, one step closer to finding answers. Here, a powerful resolver takes charge, ready to hunt down the exact numerical address hidden behind your typed domain name. With no answer stored, the resolver dispatches a scout packet, journeying toward the internet's most fundamental address authority system. This towering root server holds ultimate authority, pointing every request toward the correct category of address across the entire internet. Directed further, the scout races toward the TLD server, the section managing every address ending in that same domain extension. The TLD server doesn't know the exact address either, but it points precisely toward the domain's official authoritative name server. Finally, the authoritative server reveals the truth, a precise numerical IP address, the website's true digital location online. That address instantly crystallizes into a digital key, ready to guide your packet directly toward its intended destination server. With the answer secured, the key token speeds back through the network, returning toward the original resolver, awaiting its response. The resolver saves this answer for next time, then delivers the address key straight back to your waiting browser. Address in hand, your browser now knows exactly where to go, illuminating a direct path across the entire internet. Your packet now travels at near light speed, racing across fiber optic cables, spanning oceans and continents in mere milliseconds. Finally, your packet reaches its destination, a massive data center housing the powerful servers hosting your requested website. Before any data flows, your device sends a synchronization request, politely asking the server if it's ready to connect. The server responds instantly, acknowledging your request, while sending its own synchronization signal back across the network connection. Your device confirms receipt, completing a three-way handshake. Client and server are now officially, reliably connected together. With that final click, a stable connection locks into place. It is ready to safely transmit information between your device and server. Now your browser initiates a secure handshake, sending a friendly greeting wrapped in encryption to protect your private information. The server presents its digital certificate, proving its identity and confirming it truly is who it claims to be. Your browser verifies this certificate is authentic and trusted, confirming it's safe to proceed with this secure connection. Both sides exchange secret encryption keys, merging them together to create a unique code only they can understand. A secure encrypted tunnel now forms between you and the server, protecting every piece of data traveling through it. Your browser now assembles a formal request, politely asking the server to send back the exact web page you want. This request compresses into a secure data packet, armored and encrypted, ready for safe transmission through the network. The packet drops into the secure tunnel, rocketing toward the server, fully protected from prying eyes along the way. For efficiency, the packet splits into smaller fragments, allowing faster, more flexible travel through the network's many pathways. These fragments weave through multiple routers, each one intelligently forwarding pieces closer toward their final shared destination. Every router briefly examines and stamps each fragment, quickly forwarding it onward along the most efficient available path. Just before arrival, all scattered fragments converge together, preparing to reassemble into the original, complete data request. The server's gateway scans this reassembled request, confirms its legitimacy, and finally admits it into the system. Inside this massive facility, thousands of powerful machines stand ready, waiting to process requests just like yours instantly. A smart load balancer directs your request toward the least busy available server, ensuring fast, efficient processing. The chosen web server receives your package, carefully unwrapping it to read exactly what you're requesting. Now the application logic activates, rapidly processing your request and determining exactly what information needs retrieving. The application queries the database, sending a precise request into the vast storage to locate your specific information. Instantly, the database extracts the exact data blocks needed, gathering everything required to build your requested web page. These data blocks assemble into a structural skeleton, the fundamental HTML framework that will hold your web page together. Style and script files attach next, ready to add visual design and interactive behavior to this basic structure. Images, fonts, and additional styling assets gather together, bundling into one efficient package ready for delivery. The server compresses this complete package, wrapping it securely for fast, protected delivery back to your browser. Everything checks out perfectly. The server stamps this response 200 OK, confirming your request succeeded completely. With approval granted, the response package launches immediately, beginning its swift return journey back toward your device. The response retraces its path through multiple routers, each one quickly forwarding it closer toward your waiting device. Watch as your response arcs across the entire globe, traveling thousands of miles in mere fractions of a second. Back inside your secure tunnel, the encrypted response begins unlocking, layer by layer, protected it the entire way home. At your browser's gateway, all fragments arrive and reassemble perfectly, reconstructing the complete response in correct order. The complete response now materializes inside your browser, fully intact and ready for immediate unpacking and processing. Your browser unpacks this bundle, separating structure, style, and behavior into 3 distinct layers for processing. The browser parses HTML tags, constructing a branching tree structure that organizes your web page's complete content hierarchy. Style rules flow across the structure next, painting colors, fonts, and visual design onto your web page's skeleton. JavaScript engines activate, adding dynamic interactivity and behavior, bringing your static web page structure vividly to life. Structure and style merge into a unified render tree, a complete blueprint for how your page displays. The layout engine calculates precise positioning, determining exactly where every element belongs on your final screen. Color washes across the finalized layout, painting every pixel with the precise visual details your page requires. All layers stack together and flatten into one final image, fully composited and ready for instant display. And just like that, your website loads completely. An incredible invisible journey finished in milliseconds right before your eyes.